channel are going to be...
Test between these two teams. Shaheen Afridi, a man who was not afraid to take big decisions.
Oh!
Special over this from... Really nice piece of glove work as well. It's missing. But Shaheen Afridi will be on strike. Hales will...
Excellent. This is all about experience now. Man that's done... Boom, boom.
Oh no, he gets off strike eventually.
Where he thinks he's fully committed to it. Oh, that was a gift.
That was a gift. Pin Rain under pressure from Hales, gets deep in the crease, gets the ball exactly where he wants it really, didn't have to do anything, just help it on its way. Shaheen just bangs it down the ground. Do not allow this man to get his levers underneath the ball.
Yeah, and that's a little bit what I'm about. Just bang that length there, and it just gives Shaheen Afridi's not going to hold back. Just the width as well, a little bit.
There he goes again. It's length again, and he has launched it. It's not a good delivery. It's two bad balls, really.
Those two balls exactly the same. And whether it's Hales or Shaheen Afridi, they're not going to miss out. They're going to tuck in.
Shaheen Afridi might find himself in the match ref's room if he taps the shoulder like that.
He just nonchalantly walked away.
Oh, missed it. He missed it. Would you believe it? It was pace on, it was length, but it flashed past the off stump. Straight down the ground, and that is it. Game, set and match. It's 7 out of 7 for Nottinghamshire against Durham. Despite the fact that Alex Lees did everything that he could to keep his team out there, to keep fighting to the very end, in the end, the quality of Nottinghamshire has proven